Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use LinkedIn Job Search in 2026 to find the right job quickly and easily. Whether you're looking for a full-time job, part-time work, remote opportunities, or internships, LinkedIn has powerful tools to help you. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone or visit the LinkedIn website on your PC or laptop. Sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on the **jobs** tab from the top menu. This is where you'll find thousands of job listings from companies around the world. Use the search bar to enter a job title, skill, or company name, then add your preferred location. You can also use filters to narrow your search by experience level, job type, remote jobs, salary, date posted, and more. Browse through the available jobs and click on any listing to view the full job description. You'll see the required qualifications, responsibilities, company details, and application instructions. If you find a job you're interested in, you can save it for later by clicking the **save** button. You can also turn on job alerts so LinkedIn notifies you whenever similar jobs are posted. For better job recommendations, make sure your LinkedIn profile is complete and up to date with your skills, experience, and education. That's how you can use LinkedIn Job Search in 2026 to discover new career opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.